Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to set up Process Lasso. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To configure this, follow these steps. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Process Lasso. Choose the official website, Bitsum, from the search results. Once on the website, locate the download button and initiate the download. Wait for the download to complete. Next, navigate to your PC's download folder to find the downloaded file. Double-click on the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Agree to the terms and services as needed. Once the installation is finished, access Process Lasso from your PC. Now, navigate to the main section and ensure that Pro Balance and Smart Trim are enabled. Proceed to the Active Power profile and choose High Performance. Enable Performance Mode. Next, go to the options and navigate to Memory. Click on Smart Trim options and set it to 5 minutes. Enable only the Purge Standby list. Then click OK. Now, launch your game and return to Process Lasso. Scroll down to find the game. Right-click on it. Hover over CPU priority and choose Always High. And that's how to set up Process Lasso. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.